Deep in South America, there lies a place of extraordinary beauty, a land that seems almost untouched by time. This is Patagonia, a vast and rugged region known for its stunning landscapes where mountains and glaciers dominate the horizon. Here, on the border of Chile and Argentina, you will find a lake unlike any other, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. This is General Carrera Lake, a body of water that holds within it one of the world's most unique natural wonders, the marble caves. These caves are not like the dark underground caves you might imagine. Instead, they are filled with light and color, creating an almost magical atmosphere. The sunlight streams in, illuminating the caves and reflecting off the water, creating a dazzling display of colors. The marble caves are a network of caverns, tunnels and pillars, each one more intricate and beautiful than the last. They are carved into a peninsula of pure marble, a testament to the power and beauty of natural forces. This marble is white and grey, but it reflects the colors of the lake, creating a mesmerizing effect that changes with the light. The result is a breathtaking spectacle, a natural masterpiece that leaves visitors in awe. Imagine swirling patterns of blue, green and turquoise, each one more vivid and striking than the last. The colors shift and change with the light, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. It is a sight that takes your breath away, a true wonder of the world that must be seen to be believed. The marble caves are a testament to the power of nature, showcasing its ability to create stunning beauty over time. These magnificent structures were formed over thousands of years, shaped by the relentless forces of the environment. The story of the marble caves begins with glaciers, those colossal rivers of ice that once dominated the landscape. These massive rivers of ice carved their way through the landscape, leaving an indelible mark on the terrain. Over millennia, they ground down the mountains, including the Marble Peninsula, shaping the land with their immense power. As the glaciers melted, they left behind a lake, a serene body of water that would play a crucial role in the cave's formation. This lake, known as General Carrera Lake, is vast and deep, a testament to the glacier's legacy. Its waters are incredibly pure, a clarity that allows the true colors of the marble to shine through. This purity allows the vibrant colors of the marble to shine through, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's artistry. The water itself is also a work of art, reflecting light in a way that enhances the beauty of the caves. It is a stunning shade of turquoise, a color that captivates and enchants all who see it. This unique color comes from the rock flour suspended in the water, a fine powder created by the glaciers. Rock flour is created by glaciers grinding against rock, a process that has been ongoing for eons. The marble caves are a reminder that nature is both beautiful and powerful, capable of creating wonders that leave us in awe. Visiting the marble caves is an experience you will never forget. The journey begins in the small town of Puerto Rio Tranquilo. This is the gateway to the caves. From here, you can take a boat tour. The boats are small, allowing them to navigate the narrow passages. As you enter the caves, you are enveloped in a world of wonder. The air is cool and damp. The sound of water dripping from the ceiling echoes around you. You can also explore the caves by kayak. This allows you to get even closer to the marble walls. You can paddle through the tunnels and into hidden chambers. The experience is both exhilarating and peaceful. When to go and how to get there? The best time to visit the marble caves is during the summer months, when the weather is most favorable and the natural beauty of the area is at its peak. This period spans from December to February in the southern hemisphere, offering the warmest temperatures and the most daylight hours. The weather is warmer then and the days are longer, providing ample time to explore and enjoy the stunning surroundings. This extended daylight gives you more time to explore the caves, take photographs, and even enjoy activities like kayaking on the pristine waters. To get to the marble caves, you can fly to Balmaceda Airport in Chile, which is the nearest major airport to the caves. From there, it is a scenic drive to Puerto Rio Tranquilo, a small town that serves as the gateway to the marble caves. You can also reach Puerto Rio Tranquilo by bus from Coyhaique, the capital of the Aysén region, which offers regular bus services to the area. Once you arrive in Puerto Rio Tranquilo, you will find a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. There are simple hostels for budget travelers and comfortable lodges for those seeking more amenities. Additionally, there are also restaurants serving delicious local cuisine, allowing you to experience the flavors of Chile while you explore this beautiful region. A place you must see. The marble caves of Chile are a true natural wonder. They are a testament to the beauty, power, and artistry of nature. The colors, the formations, and the sheer scale of the caves are awe-inspiring. A visit to the marble caves is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to connect with nature on a profound level. If you ever have the opportunity to travel to Patagonia, make sure the marble caves are on your itinerary. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching the World Adventure Explorers YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.